The upcoming KTM RC390 has been spotted once again undergoing testing, showcasing exciting updates for the next generation of this popular sport bike. The new RC series will feature a complete redesign, boasting a sleeker, more aggressive look, a more powerful engine, and upgraded technology. One of the standout changes is the bike's bold, sculpted bodywork, giving it a much sportier and aerodynamic stance. It draws inspiration from the larger KTM RC8C, with its single-piece fairing and sharp, dynamic lines. The front of the bike gets a fresh look with a new projector headlamp, while the rear adopts a slim, modern tail section, along with a redesigned tail light that now integrates the indicators for a cleaner, more streamlined appearance. The RC390 will be powered by the same 399cc liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine found in the Duke. This engine delivers a robust 46 PS and 39 Nm of torque, offering a noticeable performance boost over its predecessor. The engine is paired with a 6-speed gearbox, featuring a slip-and-assist clutch, along with a bidirectional quickshifter for smooth and precise gear changes. In terms of technology, the upcoming RC will be equipped with a 5-inch TFT instrument console. This display provides smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, enabling features like call and SMS alerts, music controls, and turn-by-turn navigation. Expect the bike to come with several rider aids as well, including multiple ABS modes, launch control, traction control, and customizable riding modes for a tailored riding experience. For suspension, the RC390 will utilize a 43mm WP Apex inverted fork at the front and a WP Apex monoshock at the rear, both offering preload and rebound adjustability, ensuring smooth handling and control. Braking duties will be handled by a 320mm front disc with a radially mounted caliper and a 240mm rear disc with a floating caliper, providing ample stopping power for this performance-oriented machine. With these updates, the new KTM RC390 promises to be a more powerful, stylish, and tech-savvy machine, ready to take on the competition in the beginner sport bike segment.